Today's date is Friday, May 15th, 2026. A special thank you to all my customers. This is a special thank you message for all my customers over the past 20 years that gave me the chance to detail your vehicles and anyone else who allowed me the privilege of laying hands on your vehicles. You all know who you are. I wanted to show my gratitude by personally taking time out of my schedule today to make this brief video for anyone out there who has ever used my services in the past, be it paying customers, family, past relationships, friends, or acquaintances. I want to also thank my several repeat customers for this year and the new ones I hope to serve. Thank you for allowing me to be your personal, professional, mobile auto detailer. I have a deep sense of gratitude and appreciation with the fact that I've been earning a living at this trade for 20 years and have been serving the Halifax and HRM community now since 2014. I've never made a video thanking you all for the countless opportunities to be at your homes and getting to know you all and work for you. Feel free to reach out to me by phone or text at 902-717-7177 if you have any questions. Sincerely, Mark Renier, Nova Scotia, Canada, 902-717-7177.